How to link your Reddit with a social media. Today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will go to Reddit and open it. Then when Reddit is open, you will just go here to your profile icon. Then you go to my profile. Then click edit and then go to social links and click add. For example, I will link it with TikTok. I will write my username here like this. Click OK. And now as you see, I will just click save. And now I link my TikTok with Reddit. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you